Hello everyone. So, been waiting on this for a long time to be able to open up the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Today is December 1st and I'm going to open up the first window. This initially was sent free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Having said that, this is sold out everywhere. Hopefully you got your hands on one. I know I've been hearing from you guys recently, especially because the first was coming up, that you were hoping I would have some videos, and of course I will. So I will tell you really quickly how I'm going to handle this. I think today I'm going to open door 1. Because we're here and I want to say hello and I want to start off, on the first. It is the first as I'm filming this, so I have some other info I want to talk about really quickly, and hopefully it's not confusing, and hopefully you will see it, because I am super confused myself as far as what Spellbinders did with their club kits. So I just want to talk about the Crafty Advent. So I'm going to open day 1 today, and then on the 5th, what I did last year is I think every 5 days, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11 through 15, I would open those 4 or 5 doors, or basically 5 doors. Today I'm going to open 1. And I would work with them in some way, and if I could mix them together, that'd be great, and if not, I just showed them, right? So I think I'll do the same, but I did want to open today's being the first, so today we will open up the first, use that guy, and then on the 5th you'll see videos including those several days, right? Kind of in arrears, I guess, in a way. But Spellbinders has new club kits, or new club configurations, I guess is what I should say, because they do have a new kit, the Stencil Club, which I didn't speak about the first time I made a video, just saying, hey, there are changes coming up and keep an eye out, because I didn't know how that should be presented. Had I known that the members were already sent an email about it, I would have included the information of the email. So in that video, I included the whole body of the email that Spellbinders had sent about the club kits. I think they sent it November 17th, just so you have that information. But apparently that information is also incorrect. So I haven't heard back. My contact there said she would look into it. She's like, oh, that is weird that if you're not familiar with what I'm speaking of, Spellbinders took the Quick and Easy card kit, so that is gone. They're not going to be creating that anymore starting in December, starting now, the 1st on. But if you were a member of the Perfect Package or the Total Package, whatever they had called it at the end, I think they called it the Perfect Package, you would just be billed the $85 at a lower price point, but you wouldn't get the card kit, and none of the new clubs would be in there. And the Stencil Club's not in it, the Wax Seal and the Better Press are not in it. So it's basically the same thing, the same Perfect Package, just without the card kit and then a lower price point. And having said that, they started a new one called the Caboodle, right? Deluxe Caboodle, which is really cool. It's everything, which is amazing. I think the price point's $120. Again, free shipping, all those things. You get 10% off the site. They are going to have new releases that you can grab before anyone else does. Usually the new releases are on the 10th, and all these different things, right? And every month in the Deluxe Caboodle, you will get a bonus item, and people were asking about that because they were wondering if that meant it was the apron for December. And no, this is just your free gift. And again, the free gift, this apron was supposed to be in the Deluxe Caboodle, which it will be, and their other premier package, which would have been the Perfect Package. I do not know why on the site today there is no Perfect Package. There are no other value clubs. It's just a Deluxe Caboodle. I wasn't aware that they were going to take away the other value clubs. I don't think the email stated anything about it. I just assumed they'd be there. It looks like those are gone, at least right now. So, there might be, I don't know what to tell you guys. There might be a glitch. I don't know. It's a bummer because I recorded my video like a week ago, so I had all the info, and I even touched bases with, my contacts over there to make sure that, who would receive the December gift being the apron. And so that's how I knew it was going to be the top 2 tier, clubs, which would be the Deluxe and the Perfect Package. Perfect Package isn't available there. I've heard from you guys already this morning that you can see it in your membership, but you don't know if it's going to be $85, or you don't know if you're still receiving it. How come you can't make changes with it, or you don't want to make changes because then you might not be able to get it back? And I don't know what's happening, guys. I'm just going to be truthful here. I don't know. I'm just as confused as you are. If I hear anything, or I'm sure you guys will see it as well as I will around the same time. I'll try and make a video to clarify. For right now, I've already recorded 2 videos for the club kits, and the other one's also going to have, wrong information, because I don't know what's going on with the club kits as far as the values, and I'm very sorry about that. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Hopefully they clear that up, because I think that is a package people still want, right? If you don't have the Better Press, or some of the other things, or you're just like, okay, I'll just keep this, and then I'll add the stencil, right? The stencil kit is its own club. If you're getting the deluxe caboodle, it will be included there, but it's not going to be in the perfect package, even if you're already signed up for the perfect package, okay? So just keep that in mind. So you can always just add it. You know, that's something, just like all the other clubs, you can just add like a la carte, right? Until the end of the month, or you can do it now if you're already a club member. If you're not a club member, you can't sign up until the 5th, basically the 6th of the month. So you'll have that then. Hopefully they'll have this ironed out. I don't know what to say. I feel like my contact was also surprised by it. She's like, oh, that's weird. Let me see what's going on. Because you guys saw the email as plainly as I did, and it said that we're going to have at least those 2 deluxe packages or value packages, and I'm so sorry. So I don't know what to say. I just want to take this moment to apologize, since I am here on the 1st knowing that there is an issue. Okay, my friends, sorry for the rough edit. I don't know where to cut this or where to splice this in. I did my whole video, and I went to my emails, and I'm editing my video and doing things like this, and I did get a response from Spellbinders from themselves. They did just make a change, and out of the blue, if you are currently a member of like the perfect package, you can continue being a member of the perfect package. If you are a member of the Die Hard club kit, or like one of the other value club kits that they are not offering anymore, that you don't see on their site anymore, that I don't have links for anymore, you can continue being a member of that, is what it sounds like. Okay, so this is, I don't know how they're going to relay that to people. I hope they email about it. This literally just, again, hot off the presses. Like, I just came back to tell you guys this because I'm like, okay, because people are curious. That means if you are a current club member and you cancel that club, you will not be able to get back into it, okay? I'm assuming that means you can continue going as long as you want. They might change that in the future. All I know is new signups for like Die Hard or the Glimmer and, you know, Value Club, the one that had the Glimmer and some other dies, or I forget the other one, Stamping Addict or something like that, are no longer, okay? So you can't sign up for those, but if you are a member of those clubs right now, you can continue being a member of those clubs. Again, the $85 price point on the perfect package. That's just what I got right now, and I'm like, I was editing this video and I was actually already going, you know, rendering, and I thought, I could just easily cancel and at least give this information, so at least it's not another day or another video with more information. Here it is. If you are current with those clubs that they are no longer offering, you can stay with them. You can obviously add the stencil, and that's fine, or add other things that you would want. But just do not cancel it if you don't want to cancel it, because then you'll never be able to get back into it. At least for now. Hopefully they hear from you guys, because I know a lot of people like the value clubs, and maybe they'll bring them back. Fingers crossed, right? Otherwise, the only thing that you can sign up if you're brand new for is the deluxe caboodle. And so I guess that still makes sense that if you're getting the apron, the top 2 clubs, which would be the deluxe caboodle and the perfect package, will still receive the apron. And then everybody else will still receive a December gift. It's just not the apron. And then the deluxe caboodle every month has a bonus item that I kind of heard through the grapevine possibly might be something to help you stencil, but I'm not going to say any more about it, because if it's not, and then you're going to say, hey, Vianney said it was this, and you know, but you are going to get a free gift, basically a free bonus item every month in the deluxe caboodle, which is really great. Okay, unsplice, back to business. Okay, so door number 1. I'll have a timestamp there so people can skip if they don't care about what's going on with the club kits right now. Let's open this up. Super cute, nice size. I mean, they do such a great job with this. Let's just see where we're at. So, okay, so you see all these different doors. Like this one's nice and long. It's probably an embossing folder. Spoiler alert. Okay, so let's see. Number 1, a gift just for you. So let's pop this guy open. And I like to kind of run my nail there because I don't want to tear it completely. I like it to be nice and neat. Let's see what we got. I like they have this new cover sheet on here. That's really cool. Oh, it's a little car, you guys. We love our little cars. Oh my goodness. Let's get this on our hand here. And since I am just doing the 1 day today, I think maybe I'll make like a tag out of it or something smaller, right? I mean, this is a nice focal point. It's a really nice size. Let's get that going. It's almost 3 inches by like 1 1/4. And then, you know, you have your gift with your little bows. You have your wheels and decorative elements for that too. You have the For You that you can pop in here, it looks like. And then a big tie. Oh yeah, because you're going to tie that to your car. Super cute. So again, check back on the 5th. I'll have other doors open, but today we're going to play with this little guy. So I will be right back. You know what? I think I'm going to make a 4-bar card. It's just a really smaller not really smaller, but it's a smaller card type that I feel like was popular like when I was growing up, you know, 80s, 90s. And it's just a cute card size. So this is an A2 size card that I just cut down. So it's 3.5 by 5, right? So on the side, you just cut 3.5 and then cut half an inch off the top. I think that'll be really cute. So I did grab the Make It Merry Christmas kit because there's all kinds of gorgeous things in here. And I just want some background paper. I think I'll use a pattern paper. Let's grab this guy. And then if there are larger tags in here, I can use that, but I think I'm gonna do is cut down, I was gonna say, maybe I'm just gonna cut down some of the cardstock with like a tag size or something. I just was looking for something smaller, but oh, this is cute. I mean, again, it's a small guy. Ooh, maybe we'll go with that. So let me see, maybe there's a tag in here I wanna use, but for now, let's get something cute. Aw. All I did was literally open this up, and I think this will be good. I'm gonna cut this down to matte layer this, so 3 3/8 by 4 7/8, okay? And I'll be right back. So you know what, I like the size of this, so we're just gonna go with that guy. And so I have my little paper here, cut down, and I'm just gonna glue these guys down. I don't need to have my little card to know where I wanna put my tag. So cute. I think these are so fun for like gifts because they're just little. Probably could have moved that paper over a little skosh to the left, but oh well, here we are. And this guy is just going to be on here as best I can to fit it on here. That's basically right there. Cute. Okay, so we have just like a little tag, just something in the background. And then we're gonna have our little car and things on here. So built up on there. So let's think, since the little car has like this little for you, which I would love to have on there too. You don't have to do that, obviously that's why they put it separately. I'll find some kind of metallic paper to run that through, and maybe not metallic, maybe pearlescent or something. This, you know, I love me some gold, so I'm gonna run these both through some gold paper. And then we have our gift. Just a couple different papers. Obviously you have your base and then you have the top, so whatever colors you like to run those through. And then our little tires, I'll do black and like silver. Okay, so 2 black, 2 silver, and I'll be right back. Pieces here. I did bring this out just in case I want to pop another little sentiment on there too. So real quick, I'm just going to take my tires and pop a little glue on there and get this little guy in the center. Sorry if I tease you guys with this thing every time I use it because it hasn't been in stock. It's a diamond press tool, but I know on Spellbinders site they do have the crystal katana, which is very similar as far as it has a little sticky side that helps you pick things up. And it's good for jewelry making too and things like that, but they put it on there obviously for this purpose. And then the tires, I'm gonna put glue on here and hopefully I can get those pushed in there. Let me get this a little bit closer. Sorry, I hope that wasn't too fast for you guys. And I'll pop this guy on there. How cute is that? I love it. There's a little space for those to go into. I was debating if I should put like a little acetate behind the windows. That'd be really cute because that's really the only space that's missing. If you want to pop in, maybe piece some like blue paper in there or something to make it look more like glass. I think I'm just gonna leave it clear like this. But you can definitely take a little piece of acetate and kind of glue it back in there. It'll just give it a little more realism, right? Isn't that cute? Very cute. Okay, so then this guy, I don't know if it's just one piece over the other or if it actually overlaps. So I'm just going to overlap it a little bit so that it sticks together. Just a small amount there. And then I'll put this on here. Our little gift. Oh my gosh. I barely put glue on there. So I'm gonna let that set up before we move on. But we're gonna have that guy there. That's so cute. The For You again just gets pushed in there. This guy's going to hold this whole thing together. So let's just give that a moment and it'll be very cute. But I'll be right back. So my little guy. I think I might bring it down here and have that up there. That'll be cute. Okay. So we can definitely put this together. I think what I'm gonna do is just glue it down and then go from there. So I'll place this little guy here. Get some glue. Obviously we can do dimensionals. I'm just gonna kind of stick that little guy down there. And then I'm gonna put the gift on top and then I'll do the ribbon and stuff. Or bow or however. Cute. I love their little cars. And this guy, he's more European looking, isn't he? It's so cute. Okay, and then I'll take this little guy, just putting some glue, not too much. And I'm going to eyeball down here first, and then going on its way up. That way I can see where this is instead of sticking way down or something silly, and the rest can get eaten up here. But that basically is like the perfect size there. And then I guess we could go ahead and finish up our little bow. Oh, you know what'd be cute? I put a little glue at the tip, but not here. I'm just gonna kind of give it a zhuzh. I know it might end up going away, but that's cute. It's a little what's the word? Just a little more dimension there. Cute. So it's kind of picked up. You can do the same thing with this guy too, I guess. Just kind of curve it out. And you can cut this a couple times. That look really cute if it's like an extra fancy bow. And just popping that right on top of there. I'll hold that down. Obviously it's going to have to be held down a little bit longer. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put some dimensionals on the back of this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so have a little happy holidays. I'm going to put it up here, but it would be very cute down here too. Let's see here. The very edge, I would like it nice and straight. That's not nice and straight. Maybe more, there we go. Alright guys, so there it is. Thanks for watching again. Just keep an eye out every 5 days for my tutorials on these little guys, and definitely check out everyone else's what they got going on for the advent calendar to get you more ideas. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for these items for review. I am so sorry for all the confusion. I don't know what to say and I can only just be honest with you guys, like this is what I know, and hopefully it gets straightened out, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.